What's up, bitches? It's motherfucking Remington in this motherfucker. And let me tell you, snackers and snackers, something, alright? Motherfucking Remington just got out of jail. That's right. I was locked up in prison. And you know what? Cheese done told me what he's doing. And you know what? Let me tell y'all something, alright? Cheese is not abandoning y'all. Motherfuckers, okay? So don't even think that for one motherfucking second. Alright? Because Cheese done told me what he was doing. And it's a motherfucking secret. Alright, y'all don't know, and even Juice don't know. But so don't you dare think he's leaving for good, alright? Because when he comes back with his new little video, hold on, I'm thirsty. That's right, when he comes back with his new little video, let me tell y'all something. Y'all gonna be like, oh my damn, Jesus back up in the hizzy for Rizzy. So don't you dare think for 1 second that motherfucker's done forgot y'all. Because it ain't true. Nope. Not at all. Alright. So in the famous words of Cheese, keep it motherfucking snacky. Snackers and snackers. Okay? Now, anyway. Now, Juice, I just watched your video, and let me tell you something. Okay? That bitch pisses me the fuck off, too. Okay? Now, if she would have went to man jail where she should have went, let me tell you, she would have been fucked up. Okay, sweetie? I'm telling you right now. And Juice, I miss you. I miss you a lot. Tell Cornbread I said, hey. You know what I'm saying? And tell him Remington says, hey. Remington is back, bitches. So, anyway, why I'm doing this video and shit is because Cheese needed somebody to, you know, fill in his spot for him while he was doing this other video to surprise you snackers and snackettes. So, with that being said, I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here, you know what I'm saying? I got beers to drink and men's to go look at. Party. Keep it snacky, bitches.